Hello and welcome. So today we're going to look at the straight line, and got an example here of a graph with a straight line where it cuts the y-axis, and we've got 2 points on the line here. And we're going to be looking firstly at the straight line equation where y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, and this is what we're going to be looking at. Okay, so this is a relationship between the y-axis and the x-axis. And what we've got is, I'll just label this up so you can see it. So m here is the gradient of the line, and c is the y-intercept. Okay, so in order for us to solve this, we first got to work out the gradient. And the gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And this is basically just the difference between the y-axis and the x-axis on the line within 2 points. So if we called this point here x2, y2, the highest point, and this x1, y1, then what we could do is we could plug this into this formula. So y2 is 7, so it's going to be 7 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 1. Okay, so that's 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. So the gradient of this line is 2, and that's the difference. It's the difference in the y-axis divided by the difference in the x-axis. Okay, and I know it's a positive gradient because it's sloping up the way from here, from left to right. But what it does is it crosses the y-axis at a certain point, and we don't know that yet. So how do we work that out? So the way we do this is using y equals mx plus c, we substitute a point in. So sub in any point on the line. So let's do 1, 3. So sub in point 1, 3 into y equals mx plus c, which is 2x plus c, because the gradient is now 2 and m is 2. So if I substitute in 1, 3, so 1 is x and 3 is y, then I can say 3 is equal to 2 times 1, because x is 1, plus c. So that is equal to 2 plus c. So 3 is equal to 2 plus c. And if we solve this for c, we get rid of this 2 in this side and move it over to that side, and minus the 2 in this side, minus the 2 in this side. So cancel, cancel. So c is equal to 3 minus 2. So c is equal to 1. So we can then say that the gradient of the line, the equation of the line, is y is equal to 2x plus 1. And that's the gradient of the line. Okay. So you can do it a different way. So this is just one equation, y equals mx plus c. You can also use another equation for working this out. So y minus b is equal to m, and then x minus a. Okay, so, and it'll give you the same answer. So we know that m from the previous question is 2, the gradient, and then we can just substitute the point in. The points in, so a and b. So I'm going to use point 1, 3 as a and b. So that's going to be y, and this will be a, b. So y minus 3 is equal to 2, and then x, that's going to be minus 1. So if we multiply the brackets out, that's going to be 2x minus 2. So y minus 3 is equal to this. So if I move that minus 3 over to this side, it becomes positive 3. So plus 3 gets rid of the 3, plus 3 on this side. So that means y is equal to 2x. Minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1. So you get your same answer. Okay, so you can use, to solve the equation or work out the equation of a line, you can either use y is equal to mx plus c, or you can use y minus b is equal to m, brackets x minus a, close brackets. Okay.